Following our earlier announcement regarding the case in Oriental Mindoro, the Office of the Ombudsman informs the public that a second major case has now advanced to the filing stage. After a thorough investigation, reviewing voluminous documents, conducting field verification, and evaluating sworn statements from community witnesses, the Office of the Ombudsman has found probable cause to file criminal charges in connection with an alleged 96.5 million peso ghost infrastructure project in Davao Occidental. The project was awarded in January of 2022. Thus today, we announce that criminal informations shall be filed before the Regional Trial Court of Digos City against several officials of the DPWH Davao Occidental District Engineering Office and private individuals, owners of St. Timothy Construction Corporation. For the same behavior, the DPWH Davao Occidental officials involved are likewise preventively suspended for a period of 6 months.